you know, if I were to think about love, I think I'd think a lot more before I actually act upon it. For me, there is something really beautiful about like handwritten letters or notes.
Yeah. Oh god.
I'm obsessed with those. I write a lot of those. Like not. I mean,
Ooh.
one second.
Serafins.
One second.
Okay, it goes like, Mom, take a chill pill.
That's so cute. Krishi was cutest.
अभी भी हो यार.
Hi, परी हूँ मैं on Radio Nasha and with me the cast of Ishq Vishk Rebound. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you,
so
Pari,
much,
for
Pari.
having us. Thank
You know,
so much.
I am a 90s kid, so
We all are.
I've
Yes.
grown up like watching dance and romance and singing. So मेरे लिए rom-com coming back on screen also because we were missing, right?
Yes.
इतना
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
They're just thrillers, they're just crime. So a rom-com plus it's ishq vishk. Oh my god! So I have been singing the song all day. मैं जितनी ज़्यादा excited हूँ, I'm sure आप लोग मुझसे triple excited हो. Right?
हम हैं.
है
Of
ना?
course, of course.
Of course.
It's a lifetime opportunity.
Just the experience of being on the sets. How much fun did you guys have? कितना मजा आया?
Oh God.
Oh god,
Come
it was a blast.
It really was.
From rehearsals to the set, every moment, because एक तो गाना इतना energetic है, तो we were just गाना सुन के you feel like dancing. So imagine how our rehearsal was, and it grows on you even more. It's not like
Yeah.
2-3 बार सुन के you don't want to listen to it again. You want to keep listening to it. So we've had the biggest blast.
Yeah.
And it's the biggest
it's-
opportunity for us. So
Absolutely, and I feel
Yeah.
like to be able to do a lip sync on Sonu sir's voice,
Yeah.
Nikita's voice, I think it's a dream come true, in all
Dream
honesty.
come
And
true.
and Vijay sir, who's our choreographer for the song, Vijay Ganguly, I think him and his team are such a fun bunch to shoot with that it's even when you don't think you have the energy to have a great time on set.
Yeah.
I think they just the way they direct and just the way they hype you
Yeah,
up
it was
before
a fun
each
fun.
take. It's a lot of fun. So we
Yeah.
had a great time.
And also, I think it's just nostalgia reloaded, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
We all were kids when we watched this song on our TV screens and on that 70mm when it came out. You know, thanks to Rameshji for allowing us youngsters to get this
Yeah.
opportunity to just, you know, break a leg and shake on this number and add a little bit of our mirch masala
Exactly.
to the song.
Yeah.
We were firstly jumping only with gratitude, and then the song. We started jumping
Yeah.
on the song.
I was talking to Vijay sir.
जी.
मेरी उनसे chat में बात हो रही थी and I was like, sir, best decision ever कि आपने वही hook step
Gee,
रखा।
we got to do the
Correct.
iconic hook step
Exactly.
again.
है ना? Plus also, and he told me something very beautiful. He's like कि मैंने यही hook step रखा क्योंकि classic को छेड़ना नहीं चाहिए.
बिल्कुल सही.
Absolutely.
बिल्कुल
है
सही.
ना?
Absolutely.
And the fact that Sonu Nigam की आवाज है again.
Exactly.
And he still sounds
So refreshing,
Imagine
so
20
refreshing.
years
Yeah,
later,
yeah,
he
yeah,
still
yeah.
sounds
Of
the
course.
same. It's just
Yes.
fantastic.
It's like वहीं से it's beautiful what he's done.
Right.
Yeah.
But आप लोगों को देखकर मुझे लगा कि rehearsals की जरूरत तो ज्यादा पड़ी नहीं होगी.
नहीं.
Guys, those moves.
मुझे तो बहुत
We
पड़ी
rehearsed
है।
a lot.
We rehearsed,
ये दोनों
we
बहुत
rehearsed,
अच्छे
we
हैं।
rehearsed.
Yeah, we
We
rehearsed a
rehearsed.
lot.
Okay. कितना
Non-stop.
time rehearse करना पड़ा for this?
A few days,
4 days,
5
4,
yeah,
5
4,
days.
5
मुझे
days.
तो ज़्यादा था।
For you, yeah, you
Yeah.
started earlier. Because
It's-
she was
I
freaking
just
out.
had-
She
I
has
need to
her-
rehearse. These two are very good dancers. I have to match up to them, so I had to rehearse doubly compared to them.
But Jibran, you have also been a part of Shamak sir's troupe, right?
Yes, of course.
है ना?
Yeah, yeah,
तो
yeah.
वो skills बड़े काम आए होंगे.
काम आए वो भी आप बताओगे कि काम आए कि नहीं.
course.
But नहीं, I've been a part of Shamak since I was a kid. Then I became an instructor, and I've also been instructed under Vijay sir when I was a student. And then we both became, I became an instructor, so we've danced together as teachers and background dancers. And then he's choreographed this song. So मजे ही मजे. So thank you यार. Like I
Yeah.
just hope you all like it what we've done.
Of course, we love it. Also, you know, जैसा हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, it's nostalgia, right? मतलब जब ये फिल्म आई थी, it just created this whole rage. Again, वो भी टाइम था जब एक अच्छी rom-com बहुत टाइम बाद आई थी.
Correct.
You know, 2003 when this film came out. But this is obviously a completely different backdrop. You know, for people who are saying ये remake है या recreation है, it's a completely different backdrop.
Absolutely.
It's more about Gen Z.
And I
Like,
also think it's really like about the essence. So the first Ishq Vishk had a certain essence that was relatable to that context in time. And now what we have is that Ishq Vishk Rebound is relatable to the context that we have.
Yeah.
right. तो क्या है, what is your understanding of Gen Z love, guys? क्या है Gen Z love? Rohit?
I think it's fearless, in all honesty. I feel like I know, for example, like, you know, if I were to think about love, I think I'd think a lot more before I actually act upon it. You know, of course, I wouldn't like disregard how I'm feeling, and I would probably want to, like, you know, take a step that comes from my heart, but मुझे लगता है कि मैं थोड़ा फिर भी calculated steps लूँगा. The rate at which they think and they do is a lot faster than I could probably be.
Yeah.
So I feel like that for me is pretty commendable, that, you know, they're as fearless as they can be when it comes to love.
Yeah, we used to take time to approach
Yeah.
somebody.
Yeah.
बहुत सोचते थे
Yeah.
और overthink
में
करते
रहते
थे.
And I think with social media being around, वो और भी ज़्यादा
Yeah.
easy हो गया है, you know.
And now you have a
Yeah, I
dating
think-
app and you can just
yeah.
swipe and
I think
Yeah.
Gen Z is more on the front foot for everything.
yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
We've been a little laid back.
Yeah.
Yeah, not laid back.
Laid back, नहीं, I think reserved and calculated.
Yeah.
Correct.
But it
Run
has
like
its
just
own charm.
listening. क्या what
No,
is
he said something very nice.
Yeah.
So I'm like, now I'm relating to it, yeah, because they don't think, you're right. Like, you know, it's just chalo, like, you know, let's see what's going to happen in life. I think we are a bit like we think, you know, before doing something. And yeah, I feel like we believe in little durability and, you know, like all of that. But I mean, for them, it's just like, okay, let's just go for it, you know, देख लेंगे, काम हो गया
देख
तो हो
लेंगे
गया,
is
देख
actually
लेंगे.
actually true. But I'm sure old school romance से हम सबको प्यार है अभी भी,
Yes,
right?
of
So what
course.
is that one gesture about love? If you are in love, if you are in a relationship, वो एक gesture या एक चीज होनी चाहिए for you.
I think loyalty is something which you really need, and I think that is like, that's it. Like, loyalty is enough, and of course respect and all is there, but loyalty for me,
Okay.
they'll answer.
I think for me it's masti. Yeah, I need to do masti with the person I'm with. It's all about fun at the end of the day. Life is too serious. You need something fun.
Okay.
I think the ability to listen. Just look into each other's eyes and listen. A lot of people don't do that nowadays. So just kind of be in the moment and be present for the partner that you're with.
And Rohit.
I think, sorry, I was thinking on a completely different tangent. I thought, like, when you said gesture, I thought like an act of love. And I think, of course, all of these things are there. But for me, there is something really beautiful about, like, handwritten letters or notes.
Yeah. Oh god.
I'm obsessed with those. I write a lot of those. Like, not. I mean,
Ooh.
one second.
Serafins!
One second.
Rohit
When
Saraf
I am
writes
in
love letters.
When I am in love, and otherwise, I write a lot of
Yeah.
letters to my friends, to even like my family for that matter. I really enjoy writing letters.
It's a
not-
personal
It was
touch.
very
Yeah.
sweet. He sends flowers also.
Yeah,
at
yeah.
every-
He sent us flowers on our first day of
it was
shoot,
very sweet.
and not normal flowers. Like, it took half a room.
Yeah,
Itna
and
bheja.
the most beautiful flowers.
So I really enjoy kind of. It's not. I don't like post them and all. I would probably like give
Give it to
it
the
by
person.
hand and stuff. But I really enjoy writing handwritten letters. I and it's something I treasure a lot. Like, if somebody gives it to me, I really, till date, and I can assure you this, and you can. I have this on record. Every single fan note or letter that I've received, I have every single one of them in my house.
Oh, that's
Oh
so
my
Yeah,
God,
so I don't
that's too sweet.
let go of it at all. Like, I have a massive box which is just only full of those letters and like
And what else?
That's you.
that's it.
Gibran, if you notice him, he sat in this interview and doing like proud
But
of
you know
each
what
one of
Gen Z
us.
is called, right? Green flag.
Oh,
You
Nice.
have green flag.
You're a green flag
Thank
for
you.
sure.
Wow.
Okay, Gibran, मुझे बताओ, how emotional were you? Because obviously, when I saw you, मैं भी उतनी ही छोटी थी जितनी we
yeah,
were
of course.
probably of the
Yeah,
same
yeah,
age.
yeah.
So now we're seeing you back on screen. कितनी बड़ी बात है ये? How emotional are you?
यार, उसके लिए एक अलग segment हो जाएगा, but no, I'm very grateful. Yeah, it's taken a while, but I'm very happy. This is the best decision I've taken in life, and working with them, our producers, our director, I couldn't ask for anything better, especially in today's day and age where, you know, people are getting scared to make rom-coms and, you know, singing and dancing, like you said before. It's a blessing. It's truly a blessing, and it's very emotional. I'm still keeping it in. एक दिन तो फटके आने वाला है बाहर, so I'll be
Yeah.
prepared. But yeah, I'm happy, and these three have also just added to it. Yeah, like it is something special. It will always be special.
You know what I want to tell you right now?
Yes.
Krish, take a chill pill. Do that once again, please.
Okay.
Oh,
So it goes like, Mom, take a chill pill.
Ah, that's so cute.
Thank you.
Krishi was cutest.
अभी भी हो यार.
हाँ.
Thanks.
Krish was.
Yes.
अभी जिब्रान कैसे है ये हमें पता चलेगा.
Thanks.
Pashmina, again, it must
जी.
be very emotional for you also.
Very.
ये भी आपका debut है.
Yes.
Plus you also, come from a filmmaking legacy. तो initial thoughts क्या थे? Was there fear? Was there excitement? Was there pressure? क्या था?
So initial thoughts, I come from a film legacy, yes. I also come from a household of artists. And the initial thought was, oh God, I'm going to start creating my own art now. So I
Wow.
was very excited about that. Also, I'm going to put in my 100% into this because I've seen that around me. I've seen them put 300, 200% in everything they do. So that's all I've known. So I'm ready to do that. It's the most beautiful feeling in the world to do that. So yes, I was very emotional. I was very excited, and I'm equally excited right now. The emotions, they're building up right now. It feels too good to be true. I mean, like I said in the previous thing that we did, I said it's pinch me. Right now, I feel like somebody pinch me. Yeah.
Advice मिली घर से?
जी बहुत एडवाइस मिली है. All the time, हर चीज पे feedback मिलता है. I used to go and show little clips. I used to take from films and perform with my acting coaches and everything. Dance videos सब को दिखाती थी मैं. Feedback मिलता था. पर जब film शुरू हुई, they have said to me that like you've gotten your feedback, we've equipped you with knowledge. Now it is your turn to make your choices and your mistakes on your own and learn from them, because in life you can only give someone a ladder, they have to climb it. So I have to be in the arena. I have to analyze my moves and see how I can make it better, how I can grow, and that I have their advice in the back of my head at that moment always.
Yeah. Naila, is it an exciting phase for you? अभी back to back बहुत अच्छा काम आ रहा है. There are projects coming up.
Season 2.
Yeah. So, is this an exciting phase for you as an actor? मजा आ रहा है?
Very exciting. I've just come out from Mamla Legal Hai and Ananya Shroff, and completely different world atmosphere. That was Patparganj District Court, and now here it is. This is this cutesy college vibe. To recreate something so magical that I've literally grown up watching. That is a very special moment, because of course, a Mamla Legal Hai, it requires a certain gravitas. It also requires certain amounts of research, but this is all my research is all in my mind, and now it's that time for me to just kind of bring that to life, whatever I watched growing up. So I'm excited to show the mirch, masala, glitz, glam, dance, ishq, wishk, pyar, vyar, confusion.
Oh, wow. Rohit, were you tired of being brothers to people in films, and now you're
Thank God.
बन के थक गया था
Oh
रोहित.
God, yeah, absolutely. I feel like, there was this one time where somebody asked me in an interview, रोहित, हमने आपको इनका भाई बनते हुए देखा है, उनका भाई बनते हुए देखा है, यहाँ पे आपने ब्रदर का रोल किया, अब आप किसके भाई बनेंगे? I was like, ये जो तुमने मुझे जगत भाई बनाया है, I was like, I'm done being brothers, but also never taking away from the fact that whoever's brother I played really inspired me, and it was always a step, step closer to what I wanted to do.
Yeah.
So very happy that I got those opportunities.
Yeah. But this has been fun, and I
Yeah.
wish you all the luck, guys.
Thank you so much.
Rocket, and it's just so refreshing to see this. But yeah, so all the very best.
Yes.
I think this is going to do well. I have a feeling.
Inshallah.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you so much.
Because it's rom-com, and for people like us who've just been waiting for this on screen, maybe it's in theaters.
Yes.
Yeah.
21st June.
21st June, please do watch it.
Yes.
Ishq, wishq,
Rebound!
Sound.
Woo!
Radio Nasha.